For years, the Apple Watch Ultra has followed a familiar formula. While Apple has consistently upgraded performance with faster chips, improved battery efficiency, and new features, the overall design has barely changed. But now, that streak may finally be coming to an end. According to multiple credible reports, Apple is preparing what could be the biggest Apple Watch Ultra upgrade since its original launch, and this time, it's far more than just a routine refresh. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is rumored to bring a major redesign, alongside significant health advancements and next-generation technologies that could completely reshape the smartwatch experience. If even a portion of these leaks proves accurate, this device could quickly become one of Apple's most important and talked about products in years. Let's start with the design. Since its debut, the Ultra has been known for its rugged, bold, and durable look. While that aesthetic appeals to outdoor enthusiasts, one of the most common criticisms has been its bulky size and thickness. Compared to standard Apple Watch models, it can feel oversized on the wrist, something Apple may finally be addressing. Reports suggest the Ultra 4 could feature a noticeably thinner design while maintaining its premium durability. This would make the watch far more comfortable for daily wear without sacrificing the toughness that defines the Ultra lineup. Apple is also expected to reduce bezels, potentially offering a larger display without increasing the overall size, giving users more screen in a sleeker body. But the changes may go far beyond just appearance. Industry insiders claim Apple is developing a completely redesigned sensor system on the back of the watch. Instead of the current layout, the Ultra 4 could introduce a new circular sensor design packed with advanced health tracking capabilities. This upgrade could unlock features Apple has been quietly working on for years. One of the most exciting rumored features is advanced blood pressure monitoring. While current Apple Watches can track heart rate, blood oxygen, and other key metrics, accurate blood pressure tracking has remained a major challenge in wearable tech. If Apple manages to deliver this feature, it could allow users to monitor critical cardiovascular data directly from their wrist, without needing additional equipment. For millions of people dealing with hypertension, this alone could be a game-changing innovation. Another rumor that has sparked discussion is the possibility of Touch ID. Apple has reportedly tested prototypes with a fingerprint scanner built into the digital crown. However, more recent leaks suggest this feature may have been delayed or even canceled. The reason is likely practical. Adding Touch ID would increase costs and take up valuable internal space that could be better used for battery improvements or other hardware upgrades. Speaking of battery life, that remains a key focus for Apple. Users, especially athletes, travelers, and outdoor adventurers, rely heavily on long-lasting performance. The Ultra 4 is expected to deliver improved battery life through a combination of a larger battery and more efficient components. This could mean longer usage between charges, making it an even more reliable companion in demanding situations. Beyond hardware, software will also play a crucial role. The next version of watchOS is expected to prioritize performance, stability, and efficiency rather than flashy new features. Faster responsiveness, smoother animations, improved battery optimization, and more accurate health tracking are all expected. Combined with potential upgrades in satellite connectivity, such as better messaging and navigation in remote areas, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 could become more powerful, smarter, and more essential than ever before.